Huawei has rebranded its P series as the Pura series with the launch of its flagship Pura 70 series comprising 4 models: the Huawei Pura 70, Pura 70 Pro, Pura 70 Pro Plus, and Pura 70 Ultra. Let's delve into the specifications, availability, and pricing of the Pura 70 and Pura 70 Pro. The Pura 70 Pro series features a 6.8-inch OLED display boasting a resolution of 2844x1260. This panel offers support for a 120Hz variable refresh rate, 1440 N's high-frequency PWM dimming, and achieves a peak brightness of 2500 nits. To enhance durability, the phone utilizes second-generation Kunlun glass, purportedly boosting drop resistance by 100%. In contrast, the Pura 70 features a slightly smaller 6.6-inch display with a resolution of 2760x1256. It also comes equipped with second-generation Kunlun glass for protection. While the Pura 70 Pro is powered by the Kirin 9010 chip, a successor to the Kirin 9000, the Pura 70 is reported to feature an underclocked version of the Kirin 9000, known as the Kirin 9000 S1. Both models run on HarmonyOS 4.2. The new Kirin 9010 chipset reportedly includes 2 large cores operating at 2.30 GHz, 6 medium cores running at 2.18 GHz, and 4 small cores at 1.55 GHz. The Pura 70 Pro has a big battery of 50 mAh. It can charge really fast with a wire at 100 watt and wirelessly at 80 watt. The regular Pura 70 has a slightly smaller battery of 4,900 mAh. Both phones can connect to satellites for navigation. The Pura 70 Pro's main camera is very good with 50 megapixels, and it can adjust how much light it lets in. It also has a special camera for taking close-up pictures called a macro camera. It can zoom in really close with 35 times magnification. Another camera on the Pura 70 Pro is for taking wide-angle pictures. It can capture a lot in one shot. The Huawei Pura 70 series is currently available for purchase at Huawei's official stores in China. However, there are rumors suggesting that the production capacity might not be enough, leading to a temporary shortage of supply. Here are the pricing details for the Huawei Pura 70. 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage, approximately 5,499 yuan, $760. 12 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage, approximately 5,999 yuan, $830. 12 GB RAM plus 1 TB storage, approximately 6,999 yuan, $967. As for the Huawei Pura 70 Pro, it also comes in 3 storage configurations: 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage, approximately 6,499 yuan, $898. 12 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage, approximately 6,999 yuan, $967. 12 GB RAM plus 1 TB storage, approximately 7,999 yuan, $1,105. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.